I got a secret. Did you know we're all in sales? Whether you like it or not, regardless of what you feel about selling, we're all in sales. But that's the reality. Are you dealing with people? Are you having conversations? In charge of a team? Are you a manager? Do you have staff that works for you? You're selling. Are you married? Do you have children? You are selling constantly, all the time. If you're not selling, that means you are not communicating, you are not talking to people. It's either that you're selling or that you're being sold to. I know it's harsh. It may sound harsh, but that's the reality. Get over it. We all sell. Anytime we're talking, we are selling an idea, a concept. That being said, you can either approach it in a confrontational way, which is what turns most people off from selling, but that's not the only way to sell. There is the collaborative way to sell. That takes into consideration the other person's viewpoint and feelings. Now, that's a much better way of selling. Now, imagine, instead of, if you're a businessman and you're trying to close a deal and you're focused on yourself, you're trying to push the deal through, running through all the levers and challenges that come along with forcing a sale on somebody that's not really bought into it, you're going to have some challenge. However, if you approach it from a collaborative way, win-win approach, and figure out what is their challenge, what is it missing in order to do the deal, and find a solution on how to make that a win-win, probability of success shoots to the sky immediately, just with that change of approach and mindset. If you're used to doing sales in confrontational way and you never liked it, it doesn't mean that you're stuck there. There are better ways of doing it. Would you like to learn how to have prospects come back to you 3 months after spoken with them and say, I am ready to buy. Let's do business together. What if, not that I'm proposing that things get postponed, but imagine the impact you have on others when they call you back 3 months, 6 months, a year, up to 3 years after your last conversation saying, okay, now I'm ready to deal with you. Let's do business together. If you have an idea and you like to get collaboration from others, you are selling. The important thing is, there are two aspects to anything you do in life. One is techniques, strategies, systems, methods. And that's what most everybody focuses on. Those are tools of the craft, and they're only as good as what is your intention behind how you use them. And that is your mindset, how you look at things. You can take a hammer. A hammer is designed to push things in, pull things out. You can use it depending on your intent. You can use it to build a house, or you can use it to break down a wall. It really depends on what your intention is. If you don't know how to use, you will be very inefficient in how you use a hammer, but it'll take you so much more effort. If you learn how to use the different ways of leveraging what a hammer provides, you'll be able to work a lot smarter and a lot faster. It's the same thing in communications. There are a couple of aspects in sales and in communication. I don't like the word sales because that's got a negative connotation, but in communication, there are a number of concepts that you need to master. First of all is empathy. Second of all is being of service to others, solving their problem. Obviously, the intention is for you to solve your problem, which is getting a buy-in into your idea, into your product, into your service, whatever that may be. But start by solving their problem. When you do that and they see that you're there to help them, they'll want to help you as well. So that's the trick in communication. Now, if you want to get more information on this, reach out to me and I'll be able to identify and work with you. What is the immediate challenge experiencing, and find a solution that helps you go to the next level. I wish you a wonderful day and lots of success. You deserve it, and have a great sales day.